welcome to InfoTechtra.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest 14-inch MacBook Pro powered by Apple's brand new M5 chip. I've got the model configured with 16GB unified memory and 512GB SSD storage. If you're a creator, student, professional, or simply looking for a high-end notebook that lasts, this one's worth a serious look. Let's check out what's new, what's great, and whether it's the right machine for you. It's compact, lightweight, and built like a tank. You still get all the ports pros love: MagSafe 3, HDMI, SDXC card slot, 3 Thunderbolt ports, and a headphone jack. For power, Apple includes a 70-watt USB-C power adapter and a USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable in the box for the M5 model. And here's the key detail. The MacBook Pro 14 supports fast charging when you use a 96-watt or higher USB-C power adapter. One of the claims Apple makes, the longest battery life ever in a Mac, up to 24 hours of video playback. That means you can really hit the road, work unplugged without constantly hunting for a charger. Also, the camera experience is top tier. A 12MP center stage camera keeps you in frame during video calls. Apple calls this the 14-inch MacBook Pro, now supercharged by M5. It retains the beloved 14.2-inch, 35.97 cm diagonal liquid Retina XDR display and the pro-grade design we know, but inside it's all updated for a next-generation leap. The version I'm reviewing, 14.2 MacBook Pro, M5 chip, 16GB unified memory, 512GB SSD storage. Hey, if you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, hit subscribe and share it with your friends.